The power of eagle mindset. If you ever want to be something in your life, then be an eagle, but never be a parrot in life. Because the parrot speaks a lot but cannot fly very high, but an eagle speaks very little but flies very high. An eagle has the willpower to touch the sky. A parrot's gift is to talk, and an eagle's gift is to fly. I would rather be an eagle. The eagle is the king of the other birds. So today I will tell you 7 mentalities and habits that every person should learn from an eagle. These are the most powerful mindset in the world, and there is a great life learning in these 7 mentalities and attitude of eagles. Lesson number 1. Eagle fly alone, higher than all other birds. Eagle will fly alone but will never fly with a pigeon and a sparrow or with any small bird. Eagle either fly with an eagle or fly alone. And this teaches us that stay away from narrow-minded people, small-minded people, and stay alone, because this is the time when you get the real chance to know yourself. Lesson number 2. Eagle's vision is very clear and very strong. Eagle can see its prey from 5 kilometers away, and once it sees its target and goal clearly, then no matter how difficult it is, no matter how hard it is, he hunts his target and achieves his goal. Here is the great lesson to learn from this too, that keep your vision clear and achieve it no matter how hard it is. Does not hold back like that eagle. Lesson number 3. Eagle never eats dead things. Eagle never eats dead animals. He always hunts alive animals. And this mindset of eagle teaches us that our past is dead. It's already gone. So don't pay attention to those days' rotten thoughts. Don't waste your energy to the past that is gone. Rather than focus on your upcoming fresh life and focus on today. Keep things current. The old memories of your past that are hard to you, let them go. Say them goodbye. Let them be there where they belong. And your past has a place of itself. Don't give it a place in your present. Don't bring them back in your present. Because once your past takes place in your present, your past will never let you stay in the present. So no matter how bad has happened to you in your past, all those thoughts and memories are already dead and gone, and become like an eagle that will never eat dead things. Lesson number 4. Eagles love the storm. Eagles get excited when storm clouds gather. When the storm comes, all the birds hide and are scared, but the eagle enjoys it a lot and they welcome the challenge it brings. When the strong wind blows, the eagle flies even more higher with the help of those winds. And when it flies very high, it reaches even above the clouds. The life lessons to be learned from this mindset: find the possibilities in the problems, find the opportunities in the challenge. And once Napoleon Hill said that every great challenge brings a great opportunity with it. So like that eagle, embrace the challenge and learn from them and recognize your opportunity. And the day you start embracing challenges and start seeing the opportunities, all the difficulties will be under your control and you will be over those difficulties. Lesson number 5. Eagle always removes soft grass from its nest so that eagle's baby cannot be comfortable in it. Because if he becomes comfortable in the past, will stay there and would not be able to leave the comfort zone. But a mother eagle never let this happen to her baby. Eagle is also a bird, but imagine she knows that there is no growth in the comfort zone. But we are human beings, and despite being humans, many people do not understand this. The more you stay in the comfort zone, the more you become lazy, and the more uncomfortable your life will become in the future. Lesson number 6. Eagle tests the power of commitment before it trusts. When a female eagle meets a male one that they want to mate with, she tests the male eagle's power of commitment. She picks a twig and flies very high. Once she has reached a height high enough for her, she lets the twig fall to the ground and tells the male one to catch it. The male chases up to the twig. The faster it falls, the faster he chases it. He has to catch it before it falls to the ground. Because if he fails to catch it, he will lose her trust. The lesson we can learn from this mindset is we must have to test the commitment of people we intend to partner with, the people we hire. Establishing trust is important in a relationship. Lesson number 7. Eagles love the painful process. At the age of 40, the eagles become old. The eagle has to make a painful decision at that moment. Die or go through a painful process of rebirth, which will extend its life for 30 more years. This process involves the painful task of knocking out its own beak and plucking out its own talons so that new ones can grow. Entire process takes about 5 months to complete. The life lesson we can learn from this mindset is if there is no pain, there is no gain. Many of us want success or change, but without sacrifice, hard work, disappointment, and heartbreak, is impossible to survive and grow. We must be willing to change, and sometimes we may even need to go a step further. A death of the old self and a total rebirth, ending toxic relationships, leaving toxic jobs, getting rid of destructive habits, thoughts and traditions and mindsets that no longer serve us. And remember, at the end, we are all just stories. Just make it a good one.